Welcome back. In Lesson 2, we are going to talk about the physical foundation of your agentic system, the virtual machine. This is where your AI worker actually lives. An AI worker cannot be truly autonomous if it disappears every time you close your laptop. True agency requires persistence, and local development is where autonomy goes to sleep. Many people build their first agents locally, test them successfully, and assume the job is done. But the moment your laptop sleeps, loses Wi-Fi, or restarts, your agent is gone. We need something more permanent. A personal computer is designed for you, the user, not for a continuous software service. Every time you travel, restart for an update, or simply close the lid, you are severing the lifeline of your AI worker. If your agent only works while you are watching it, it isn't infrastructure. It's just a demonstration. To move into production, we have to stop thinking about our laptops and start thinking about the cloud. So, what is a virtual machine? Simply put, it is a computer that exists inside a professional data center. It has its own processor, memory, and internet connection, designed to run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Think of it as renting a small, dedicated office in the cloud. It behaves exactly like a normal computer, but you access it remotely. It stays powered on even when your own personal devices are completely turned off. When we compare the two, the difference is clear. Your laptop is a tool for tasks. The VM is a platform for services. For a production AI worker, we need the stability and dedication that only a virtual machine can provide. This VM becomes the home for every single component we will build. It isn't just a place to run code. It is the environment that provides the security, the logs, and the uptime that your business depends on. Inside this VM, we'll install Linux, the Hermes runtime, and then layer on your agent's identity, its specialized skills, and its memory. The VM is the office, Hermes is the manager, and the agent is the worker. Linux is our operating system because it is stable, secure, and the industry standard for servers. Hermes then acts as the orchestration layer that allows our agent to actually perform its specialized work efficiently. We use Linux because it is designed for continuous workloads. It is lightweight and easy to automate. You don't need to be an expert. You only need the small set of commands required to keep your worker running safely. I want to be clear. You do not need to master Linux to succeed here. We will walk through exactly what you need. The goal is to give you a professional environment without overwhelming you with complexity. Looking back at our course architecture, you can see why the VM comes first. Every other layer, from memory to internet access, depends on this foundation. Without a stable home, the agent cannot be trusted. Without this foundation, your Hermes runtime has nowhere reliable to run. Your knowledge vault remains inaccessible, and your external applications can't consistently connect. We build the base before we add the intelligence. Building in the cloud also requires a security mindset. We will use SSH keys instead of passwords and secure tunnels instead of open ports. We are engineering a professional system, and that means following professional standards. This isn't just about making it work, it's about making it safe. As we move into the practical lessons, these principles will guide every command we run and every configuration we set up. In our next practical lesson, you will choose a provider, create your server, and connect to it remotely. We will update the system and install the core tools needed for our architecture. Remember, an AI worker needs a permanent home to be reliable. Now that you understand why the virtual machine matters, it is time to build one. I'll see you in the next lesson to get started. Let's get to work. In the next lesson, we build the foundation. I'll see you there.